Hello everyone and welcome. My name is Ms.Stefany and today we're going to be reading a Pete the Cat story, and this one is Pete at the beach. So let's go to the beach. It's a hot day. Pete the cat goes to the beach with his mom and his brother Bob. Let's go in the water, Bob says. Maybe later, says Pete. Bob likes to surf. He rides the big waves. It looks like fun. I'm hot, says Pete. Go in the water, says Mom. Maybe later, says Pete. Pete makes a sandcastle. His mom helps him dig. Here comes a big wave, and there goes Pete. Ooh. Let's get our feet wet, says Mom. Well, okay, says Pete. The water is cool. It feels good. Pete goes in deeper. It's time for lunch. Pete eats a sandwich. He drinks lemonade. Ooh, do you guys like lemonade? I do too. The sun is very hot and Pete is very, very hot. Bob is wet and cool. Let's play ball, says Pete. No thanks, says Bob. I want to surf. Pete throws the ball. His mom catches it. Let's get our feet wet, says Mom. Well, okay, says Pete. The water is cool. It feels good. Pete goes in deeper this time, so he's going in deeper. Bob waves to Pete. I want to show you how to surf, he yells. Pete does not say maybe later. He says, let's do it. Yay, good job, Pete. Lie on the board, says Bob. Pete lies on the board. Paddle, says Bob. Pete paddles out. He waits for a big wave. The big wave is coming. Stand up, says Bob. Pete stands up. Then Pete falls down. It was scary, but it did not hurt. Try again later, says Bob. Pete wants to try again now. Yeah. Pete lies down again. He paddles and waits. Then here comes the wave. Pete stands up. This time he rides the wave. Good job, says Bob. Yeah, good job, Pete. Pete wants to surf all day. Bob does too. They take turns. Pete and Bob rock and roll with the waves. What a great day. It's okay to be afraid, but it's more fun to surf. Has anyone here surfed before? I haven't. All right, you guys, have a marvelous day. I will see you next time, and I hope you enjoyed the story, and I hope that you go and you try out new things too. Sometimes they may seem scary, but they may end up being really fun, just like how Pete did. All right, you guys, see you next time. Bye.